So you just got a new PC, or maybe someone else used it before, and now every time you start up you see a username that's not you. So maybe it's saying something like admin or john123, and it's kind of annoying, especially when you just want your computer to feel like really yours. And the good news is you don't need to be a tech wizard to change it. In this video I'll show you how you can change your account username in Windows 10 step by step and in the easiest way possible. So there are two types of accounts in Windows 10, which are Microsoft accounts and local accounts, and I'll show you how you can change both. So for Microsoft account, you can open any browser and go to account.microsoft.com and then sign in. Use the same email you used to sign in your computer. Then click edit name, type the new first name and last name you want it, and then click save. And now you can restart your computer, and next time when you will log in, your new name should show up on the login screen. And for local accounts, you can open control panel. For that you can click the start menu, type control panel and open it. Click user account, then again user accounts, then change your account name, enter the new name and click change done. Enter your new name and click change name and done. So that's how you can officially change your PC's username. Now whenever you are on your login screen or system folder, they will actually show your updated username. And if this made things a little easier for you, you can go ahead and subscribe for more tech videos like that. And if you are still stuck or didn't see any option, you can drop a comment. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.